What's up YouTube? It's your boy Joe Space Kickspot back with another video, and today we got another video on a pair of, well, we have a restoration video on a pair of Blue Ice Air Jordan 8s. Now, the overall conditioning of the shoe is good. The only thing that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do a cleaning, and we're gonna have to do a midsole repaint, and those colors we're gonna need a silver and the white that's right here. So what we're about to do is we're about to get the cleaning, and yeah, we're about to basically get the cleaning the shoe and basically styling everything. So let's go. Okay, so now that we got the shoe cleaned, shoe's looking very nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish stripping the midsole. As you can see, the cracking on it. While I was cleaning it, a lot of it was already coming off, so I'm actually just gonna keep just picking at it away, because I don't wanna. These shoes are from 2007, so the midsoles are kind of old, so I don't want to ruin the midsoles. So I'm gonna try to get this paint off without using as much acetone. So I'll come back when the midsoles are ready to be painted on. So also, your boy got his logo, and I got some stickers now. This is the Just Blaze Kick Spot logo. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my Instagram changed, and if you know my Macari account, that's also just changed. But yeah, tons of stickers. If you're gonna be at Sneaker Mania, the 16th, and you grab something from me, you can get a sticker. I only got a couple though, so you gotta come and get them before they're all gone. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video you guys just watched. If you guys watched to the end, thank you, and see you next video.